The Armed Forces Remembrance the Emblem appeal for 2026 has received a major boost as President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the National Assembly and the Federal Capital Territory Administration together pledged a total of 320 million naira to support the Nigerian Legion and families of fallen heroes. Victoria Yorinde reports.
President Bola Tinubu announced a personal donation of 200 million naira, reaffirming his administration's commitment to the welfare of military personnel, injured officers, and the dependents of fallen heroes. He made the pledge during the 2026 Armed Forces Remembrance Day Emblem Appeal launch held at the Presidential Villa in Abuja. In his remarks, President Tinubu emphasized the sacrifices of the armed forces in safeguarding the nation's unity, stability, and territorial integrity. He stated that under his administration, collaboration among security agencies has improved significantly, leading to the surrender of thousands of insurgents, neutralization of key terrorist leaders, and notable improvements in maritime security.
This solemn occasion reminds us of the bravery and sacrifice of our fallen heroes, men and women who gave their lives in defense of our nation, in global peace missions, and in operations at home.
The Chief of Defense Staff, General Olufemi Oluyede, appealed to citizens to proudly wear the emblem and support the appeal fund as a demonstration of national gratitude. He commended the President for improved welfare, better equipment, enhanced training, and strengthened support for injured officers and the families of the fallen hero.
At this juncture, I would like to thank our amiable President, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for his continued support, and for all who are here for supporting our cause. We remain grateful and we remain resolute, and we will continue to do our best to safeguard all.
Speaking at the ceremony, Morenike Grace Henry, chairman of the Nigerian Legion, expressed gratitude to President Tinubu and all donors, describing the contributions as a lifeline that supports widows, orphans, and veterans who continue to bear the scars, seen and unseen, of their service to the nation. She urged more Nigerians to identify with the emblem, noting that every donation helps restore dignity to families of fallen heroes and provides essential support to injured veterans.
I give thanks and kudos to the President of Nigeria. He carried the hearts of the veteran and the military people. I'm pleading on behalf of the veterans, on behalf of the widows, on behalf of those still in the bush. They don't know whether they are coming back home or not, that they should please wear the emblem and donate for them.
The 2026 Armed Forces Remembrance Day holds on January 15, but the message from today's event is clear. Nigeria honors its heroes, supports its wounded, and remembers the families of those who paid the ultimate sacrifice. The call for unity, patriotism, and collective support remains at the heart of the national tributes to the men and women who defend the nation. Victoria Ayorinde, reporting for Captain TV.